Before we dive into discussions about potential advancements in AI models like a hypothetical GPT-5, it's crucial to address a significant development. OpenAI has granted early access to its upcoming GPT-5 model to the US government. This surprising move marks a pivotal moment in the landscape of artificial intelligence development and regulation. As the world contends with the ramifications of increasingly sophisticated AI systems, OpenAI's decision to collaborate with federal authorities raises important questions about the future of AI governance and the balance between innovation and safety. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, made the announcement on social media platform X, revealing the new partnership with the US AI Safety Institute. The goal of this collaboration is to advance the science of AI evaluations, according to Altman. But what does this partnership mean for the future of AI, and why is OpenAI taking such a significant step? To grasp the importance of this move, we need to understand the context. OpenAI has been at the forefront of AI development, consistently pushing the limits of what's possible with language models. Their previous model, GPT-4, already demonstrated capabilities that both impressed and concerned experts. Now, with GPT-5 on the horizon, expectations are soaring. Altman himself has hinted that GPT-5 will make its predecessor look somewhat inadequate by comparison. This bold statement has sparked widespread speculation about the potential features and abilities of the new model. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and OpenAI seems keenly aware of this. The decision to partner with the US AI Safety Institute is not merely about showcasing new technology. It's a strategic move aimed at addressing mounting concerns about AI safety and the necessity for rigorous evaluation methods. The institute, established under the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, is responsible for developing guidelines for AI measurement and policy. By involving this federal entity early in the development of GPT-5, OpenAI is signaling its commitment to prioritizing safety. The timing of this announcement is particularly noteworthy, especially given recent developments within OpenAI. Earlier this year, the company made headlines by disbanding its Super Alignment Team, a group dedicated to ensuring that AI systems align with human values. This move led to the departure of key figures like Jan LeCun and Ilya Sutskever, who expressed concerns about the company's direction and resource allocation. These internal changes raised questions about whether OpenAI was focusing too much on rapid development and commercialization at the expense of safety. The partnership with the US AI Safety Institute could be seen as a response to these criticisms, aiming to reassure both the public and industry insiders that safety remains a priority. Altman has publicly stated that at least 20% of OpenAI's computing resources are dedicated to safety projects. This commitment is significant, but it also prompts questions about the nature of these safety initiatives and their integration into GPT-5's development. The collaboration with the US government represents a new era of government AI cooperation. While it is not unprecedented for AI developers to collaborate with regulatory bodies, last year, OpenAI and DeepMind shared models with the UK government. The scale and potential impact of GPT-5 make this latest partnership particularly noteworthy. As AI technology evolves at a breakneck pace, the need for robust security measures becomes increasingly critical. OpenAI's recent appointment of retired General Paul M. Nakasone to its board, overseeing security and governance efforts, underscores the company's recognition of this need. Nakasone's expertise in cybersecurity brings valuable insights but also raises concerns about the militarization of AI and the dual-use nature of these technologies. The ethical considerations surrounding advanced AI models like GPT-5 extend beyond technological issues. As AI systems become more sophisticated, their potential to reshape industries and society grows exponentially. The implications for healthcare, education, finance, and creative fields are significant. However, with these advancements come serious ethical questions. How can we ensure that AI systems like GPT-5 are used responsibly? What safeguards must be in place to prevent misuse or unintended consequences? These are critical questions that the partnership between OpenAI and the US AI Safety Institute will need to address. Moreover, the development of GPT-5 raises important questions about the future of work and human creativity. As language models become more capable, there are concerns about job displacement and the potential homogenization of creative output. How will society adapt to these changes, and what role will policymakers play in shaping this transition? By involving the U.S. government early in the development process, OpenAI might be aiming to address these concerns proactively, hoping to influence the discourse around AI governance and establish itself as a responsible actor in this field. However, this collaboration also brings up issues of data privacy and potential government overreach. How much access will federal authorities have to GPT-5's inner workings, and what measures will be in place to protect user data? These are concerns that will likely be scrutinized in the coming months. The global implications of this partnership are substantial. As the United States takes a more active role in AI development and regulation, how will other nations respond? Will we see a rise in AI nationalism, with different countries racing to develop their own advanced language models? The geopolitical implications of AI development are becoming increasingly clear, and GPT-5 could be a key player in this evolving landscape. It's also worth considering the potential impact on smaller AI companies and startups. As major players like OpenAI form closer ties with government bodies, could this create barriers to entry for new entrants in the field? The AI industry is already dominated by a few large companies, and this trend might further consolidate their power. Beyond issues of governance and regulation, the ethical implications of GPT-5's development also involve questions about AI consciousness and rights. While GPT-5 is not expected to achieve true sentience, its advanced capabilities might blur the lines between human and machine intelligence, challenging our existing ethical frameworks. OpenAI's collaboration with the US AI Safety Institute also raises questions about the role of private companies in shaping public policy. As AI systems become more integrated into critical infrastructure and decision-making processes, the influence of companies like OpenAI on government policy is likely to grow. This merging of public and private interests in AI development is a trend that deserves careful attention. The potential applications of GPT-5 are vast, ranging from transforming scientific research to revolutionizing educational practices. The impact of this advanced language model could be felt across nearly every sector of society. However, with these opportunities come significant risks. The potential for GPT-5 to generate convincing misinformation or be used for malicious purposes is a concern that both OpenAI and government regulators will need to address. Looking ahead, the development of GPT-5 represents a critical juncture in the evolution of AI technology. The partnership between OpenAI and the U.S. government marks a new phase in the ongoing dialogue about AI safety and regulation. How this collaboration unfolds could set important precedents for AI governance globally. The race to develop increasingly powerful AI systems shows no signs of slowing down. As companies like OpenAI push the boundaries of what's possible, the need for robust safety measures and ethical guidelines becomes ever more pressing. The involvement of government bodies in this process is likely to become more common as society grapples with the far-reaching implications of these technologies. Amidst all the excitement and concern surrounding GPT-5, it's important to remember that AI is ultimately a tool created by humans for humans. How we choose to develop and deploy these technologies will profoundly shape our society. The partnership between OpenAI and the US AI Safety Institute represents an acknowledgement of this responsibility and a step towards a more collaborative approach to AI development. With GPT-5 on the horizon, the world will be watching closely. The success or failure of this bold experiment in AI governance could have far-reaching consequences for technology and society as a whole. Whatever the outcome, one thing is clear: the era of AI is here, and we are all part of this transformative journey. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments below. For more intriguing topics, be sure to check out the recommended video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching.